Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Colby, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers provides comprehensive and enjoyable long-distance moving services. We have a solid relationship with relocation authorities at local and federal levels. We also have a legal permission to assist our clients in transferring their properties within and outside state boundaries. Hence, if you're moving to another town outside Kansas City or moving to Colby from another state, we're your best plug. Our first focus throughout the relocation process is the safety of your belongings. Our movers will expertly carry your big furniture and arrange your fragile things, and our drivers will drive cautiously. We also provide outstanding insurance coverage to safeguard you from any risk that may arise during the transfer. Our local moving services in Colby are the most efficient and dependable and often involve less interval. Hence, it's logical that long-distance migrations are more expensive than local ones. Since they go a longer distance, we charge between $30 and $40 per our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Colby moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.